Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here with my beautiful fiance. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum because you guys requested from me. A quick update because the market is pulling back. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. We're going into the technicals. And the market had a big pump, still even with a bit of a pullback. Gala up 24%, hitting the target. Solana 13%, Coinbase 15%. Bit 7%, Tesla 5.9%. We had a big movement up in the markets. Let's go. Binance also pulling back quite a bit. I mean, it still had a huge pump, but it went up to 284 and pulled down to 274. It's overbought on the daily now. Quite overbought on the daily. Very oversold still on the weekly. On the 4-hourly, overbought heading down strongly as well. But now we have a lot of support here, so we should get a bounce, a continuation. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin holding up. It didn't have as strong as a pump, but still quite a big movement. We came down, we went up to 17,383 and then pulled back to 17,182. The trade from earlier today is almost exactly the same as the last video. So that trade is still activated, and now it's sitting above these supports. You can see here multiple supports. So now it's actually, the trade is still the same. So I'll take the same long, which is a beautiful risk to reward ratio. It's risking $128 to make $8,400 without leverage, 10x leverage, $84,000, 20x leverage, $168,000 of profits. Breaking out, expecting it to break out of this big descending, this symmetric descending triangle to the upside. This one here, and if that breaks out, 25,000 would be the target. This line here, distance. So that's beautiful. So I would still go long from that same setup, opening it at. This is the trade setup. Opening 17,235, stop loss 17,133. Take profit 25,000, 65 risk to reward ratio trade. Let's go into Ethereum now. MCRT still up on the day. BNB still up massively on the day. Now we go into Ethereum. Ethereum, because that was requested, up 2.6%. Also having the same setup. The take profit target hit on that previous trade, which is beautiful. And we broke out perfectly. Look at that. We broke out of this rising triangle to the upside, and it perfectly played out to the base of the triangle, this distance here, and that hit that target already. I mean, now we're coming to a strong resistance on Ethereum here. So it was expected that we have a pullback, but not pulling back very strongly, which is interesting. Normally you would have a very strong pullback, but it's not pulling back too strongly. So I would actually go long here on Ethereum, expecting that we could have this big breakout. If that happens, I mean, this is a point of big resistance. So very tight stop loss in case it hits it, because you can see here, every time it's hit this trend line, it's pulled back, pulled back, pulled back. But this descending triangle like this can break out to the upside if we build pressure and break out here. But I would do a very tight stop loss in case it pulls back and then hits the stop loss. So I'd go long here, stop just underneath the weekly, and then the take profit on the breakout of this massive descending triangle, which would be up here. A huge trade taking us to 2,400, 30 times risk to reward ratio trade. Risking $35 to make $1,094 without leverage. 10x leverage will be $10,000, 20x leverage $20,000, which is beautiful. Those are the updates. Also, yeah, those are the let's check BNB, because I still have BNB trade open. I've got Bitcoin trade open, up $683, 34% from yesterday's trade. And BNB trade still open, $1,354, 137%. The BNB trade went to $2,000 before that pullback, and the Bitcoin trade was at $1,000 before the pullback. In this count, 153,000 in there, which is still up around 20,000. I've got 5 Bitcoin in here, 8.1 million MCRT, 4,500 Uniswap, some USDT, and some Ethereum. I'm going to buy more Ethereum just spot here because of this potential. So I'm going to buy 2 Ethereum spot. At the current price is $3,000. Buy confirmed. I just bought some Ethereum in spot as well. And that's the trade setup. So I'll take, if you want to trade, underneath this video, in the description of the video and the pinned comment down below, you can sign up to Bybit down below. Sign up using that link. You can get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link, and you can join the free Telegram and take the crypto mastercourse to learn what I'm doing here. If you've been want to learn how to trade, and many people still made massive gains. So far so good, James, up 309% on BNB. Just massive gains from the gurus. Check this out. This student made $1,119 on dot. Big congratulations to all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Let's jump into Bitcoin. Thanks, James, because of you I escaped bankruptcy. Now I have good capital, which is beautiful. James, you're the best. Thank you, James. Many thank yous today. Soon I can buy a big bag of MCRT and maybe a little trip with my family with the sun. No sun until February. And this student made Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB massively gains, and it's just many people making huge gains today, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Big quick update. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.